If you loved the angel wing in blue, let me show you this one in purple, because this one is really nice. Look how shiny that is. There's actually two kinds of purple in here. There is kind of a really pretty, this is like, I would call that, you know, like a lovely Concord grape. And these little bands have just a little bit of red, so it gives it a nice depth of color. It's not just flat purple. It's really some lovely different shades. And you can see each of the feathers is tipped with just a little bit of kind of a milky white, which just really makes them, give them like a 3D type thing. It's just a very shiny, lovely piece. The back is very simple. It just has a little swirl, and those are my initials, just so you know. So it's signed by the artist. That would be me. The whole piece is, let's see, it is exactly 2 inches by probably just shy of an inch at the widest, probably closer to 3/4 of an inch wide. It comes on a 16-inch cable chain, but if you prefer a more traditional chain, that is eminently doable. You just have to let me know. Anyway, this is a really lovely angel wing, and you know what? The purple's really, it's special.